New Insta360 X5 camera has been released, and I got it here. Ooh, the life will never be the same again. So I'm going to unbox this thing, and then I'm going to make so much money. It's going to rain money. Got it here. We're going to unbox it. Now look what's inside the box. What a surprise, right? Like, it's another camera, right? It's not like, so you had the X3, right? That didn't work, right? So then you convinced me to get the X4, right? And then the X4 didn't work. So now you have then you had the Insta360 Go 3, right? And that didn't work. And now, yeah, of course, it's the Insta360 X5 is going to do great things, right? But this camera, this exact camera, it's going to be completely different, right? It's going to be completely different, not like before. Yeah, of course, this is the camera that's going to make Spielberg out of us, right? So we're going to be like magnificent. We're going to record videos and get our subscriber count up from like 64 to 64 million. Yeah, right. Yeah, that definitely. That is what's going to happen now, right? And where did the beard go? Yeah, so you see, I am from the future. I did use those razors, and then I became like this sexy beast that I am right now, right? And I didn't need a new camera in order to do that, right? Like, right? Look at this, right? Without that camera, right? Really? It's inside the box. Inside the box, was actually right. There was these shave blade things. Then we have 2 memory cards, 256 gigabytes, and we have like a protecting cap, and we have a premium lens guard. And then of course we have the camera here. So let's see what's inside the box. And then there's a cloth inside, right? So we can keep the lens clean. So we have like this bright, insanely nice camera shooting all the time. Ooh, there's a cloth inside. I can buy a whole box of cloth on Temu for nothing, right? Who cares about the cloth, right? I get a cloth with my TV, right? Anyways, that was most of the unboxing, so I'll charge the camera and then we'll just do a little bit of recording with it here at the end, and then hopefully this guy over here will stop talking so we can do something useful instead. Ooh, there's a camera inside. Ooh, I needed to watch all this video to see there's a camera inside. So last year I bought the X4. But I broke the lens. So as you can see here, I attached some lens guards to the X5. They are like they are made so that they can fall off, so you can lose them. So you need to buy new ones, right? Anyways, so these are like the premium ones, right? So then you would say like, Palle, why do they have like standard ones and premium ones? Like why don't they just work, right? Anyways, so last year I had the X4 standing, and then like it fell over, and then the guard broke and the lens broke. So that's why I'm not using that much, because the pictures are like you're spending a long time making a video, like creating some content, and then it's not like how you actually want it to be, right? Another thing that is not cool with the X4 was the sound. So in the next video I'm going to do play a little bit with the sound and see like if it's still bad, or else I would fix it with DaVinci Resolve. So there's going to be a link to that up here. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Anyways, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to take this one, and then I'm going to swing the camera in the air, and then I'm going to flip it up and down, and then we can see what comes out of that. Fun.